August 12th, 2021. This one here, I got a call from a guy. He says he got a problem with his toilet, leaking a little bit. And he also had a faucet issue, but I guess he took care of that. So I've been busy doing installs. Doing a couple a week. I really haven't been able to film it because I've been just trying to get them done. And did like 3 that I probably should have filmed, but I just didn't have the time. I want to try to get them all done in one day and change out a furnace and a coil and a line set and an outside condenser all in one day. It's a lot of work for one guy. So we'll I should have probably got some footage on them, but shit happens. Sometimes you just gotta, you know, buckle down and get stuff done. You start off trying to do videos of it, but then you just get so busy, it just don't have, just trying to get the shit done to get home, right? But anyway, we'll try to get you some shots over here if I can. Get out the shitter cam, mama. Miss Molly is working again, Miss Molly. You love working, Miss Molly. Yeah. So you can hear it, it keeps running, huh? Alright.
It keeps running to the point that sooner or later it kicks right on. Like it's filling up.
Yeah, we'll fix that. It's probably all cattywampus. The flapper's probably all twisted. You ever hear that song, Twisted Sister? That's what we're gonna be. Twisted Sister. I heard they're getting rid of watermelon now.
Huh?
I heard they're gonna get rid of watermelon.
Why?
Because it offends people. Uncle Ben's, they get rid of Uncle Ben's.
Yeah, now they're getting rid of watermelon, huh?
Yeah, getting rid of Uncle Ben's rice and.
That's great.
Great. Well, hello there, Miss Molly. Well, hello there, sunshine. All right. I gotta get I should have a blue flapper. I like to put the blue flapper in there. It doesn't have the float on it, but it should be all right. As long as it don't flush twice, it'll be good. Well. What kind of shot did you get?
What's that?
You get the Pfizer or the Moderna?
Pfizer.
Yeah, me too. It seemed to work pretty good, actually. See if it works. Yeah, the other flapper was got a twist to it. Let me show you.
Oh yeah.
So that is
That everything you do with me putting tabs in there?
yeah, don't put the tablets in there. That's the worst thing because that's Clorox.
Yeah.
And that'll eat that stuff.
Yeah, that's why I asked that.
Yeah, I see the tablet in there. I gotta get that the hell out of there.
Yeah, you pull that tablet out.
Yeah, don't use them tablets, okay? Please. It's the worst thing you could do. That's exactly what it was. Somebody selling you a line of shit.
No. I had a feeling that was gonna happen.
Anything with rubber and Clorox,
Oh yeah.
not a good mix.
Scratch the oil, make it stick.
Let's see if it flushes once. It says right there, warning. It says right there, do not use the Clorox tablets in there. Look what it says. Cleaning products void warranty on this can destroy parts and cause, see what it says right there?
Yeah.
That orange tag.
No kidding.
Yeah.
So you're better off using...
Well, just soapy, just get some soapy water.
Yeah.
Looks like it might be the fill valve that's not shutting off. The fill valve's not shutting off, see it? Plus the flapper, see that I gotta change the fill valve. See how it didn't shut off?
Yeah.
Sticking.
It's sticking down there?
See it?
There you go.
That's sticking too. Let's put a new one in.
Okay.
I mean, we don't want no problems, right?
Okay.
The reason I said that, because some of the Southerners, they don't like Yankees.
Yeah.
The people from down south,
Yeah,
yeah, they don't like Yankees.
it's getting worse.
Well, you retired?
Oh, yes.
How do you like that?
Don't.
You don't like being retired.
I don't like being retired because me and how many other people are retired. Years ago when I was a kid, you know, even in college, I say, boy, this would be great if I was retired and didn't have anything to do. There's nobody around.
You miss your job?
Everybody's working. No.
You don't? No. I think I'd miss my job if I wasn't working, to be honest with you. I kind of like what I do, to be honest with you. So. Yeah, this one's all cattywampus from them tablets too, guy. The rubber.
The rubber?
Yeah, I'm gonna show you after, but yeah, you can't use them Clorox tablets.
Okay.
Not a good idea. I mean, you could do it, just gonna ruin all the rubbers in there. A lot of times the ladies like that, they think it's gonna make it smell good for their chooch. You know?
Yep.
Help their package smell better.
Yeah, watch out, my wife's in the other room.
What?
Watch out, my wife's in the other room.
I'm gonna get in trouble. That's a joke. If you can't laugh and joke, you're in trouble. Oh. I might just lower the water down a little bit, but flushes once. Whew. Forces once. That's fine. 1.6. You got the water flow down a little bit. Yeah, look at that. You can see what the look at the gasket on there. See how it's all like puckered?
Yeah. Oh, over here.
Yeah, it's from that's from them cubes.
Yep.